Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Let's break down the economic implications of connection rate in a contact center. Let's begin exploring the economic implications of connection rate, starting with staffing and workforce cost efficiency. When your connection rate is higher, agents spend more time in meaningful conversations during their shift. That means fewer wasted dials and more productivity per full-time equivalent. But when the connection rate is low, the opposite happens. Agents spend large portions of their shift on unsuccessful calls, which drives up the cost per productive conversation. The impact is direct. Connection rate directly influences FTE requirements and overall cost to serve. In other words, strong connection rates stretch your workforce further, while weak ones inflate costs. Next, let's look at the sales revenue impact of connection rate. Quite simply, more connects mean more sales opportunities. Every live conversation is a chance to pitch, persuade, and close. Take this example: if you make 1,000 outbound calls at a 20% connection rate, you'll get about 200 live conversations. But if you improve that connection rate to 40%, suddenly you're having 400 live conversations without increasing the number of dials. The impact is powerful. Doubling your connection rate doubles your revenue potential. The same effort, the same volume, but much stronger financial results. Now let's shift to the collections recovery impact of connection rate. When connection rates are high, agents are able to reach more customers quickly. This accelerates debt recovery and improves overall cash flow. But when connection rates are poor, outreach slows down. Customers go uncontacted for longer periods, which increases the risk of bad debt write-offs and ultimately lowers your recovery ROI. The bottom line: a stronger connection rate directly boosts recovery performance, while weak rates delay collections and hurt profitability. Another important factor is the cost to serve, or CTS, and how it's shaped by connection rate. Every single call attempt carries a cost, whether it's telecom charges, dialer infrastructure, or agent time. Even failed calls add up on the expense sheet. When connection rates are higher, those same costs are spread across more successful conversations, which reduces the cost per connect. The impact is clear. Better connection rates drive greater efficiency and minimize wasted spend, ensuring every dollar invested delivers more value. Now let's talk about SLA compliance and penalties in the context of connection rates. In many outsourced BPO contracts, clients set minimum connection rate thresholds as part of the service level agreement. If you fail to consistently meet these thresholds, the consequences can be serious, ranging from financial penalties and loss of performance bonuses to even contract renegotiations or termination. The lesson here is simple: connection rate isn't just about performance, it's also a contractual commitment. Sustaining it protects both revenue and client relationships. Let's now explore the link between connection rate and marketing or data ROI. Every lead comes at a cost, whether it's from purchased lists, CRM campaigns, or broader marketing funnels. That's money already invested before the first dial is made. When connection rates are low, much of that investment goes to waste, because leads that never pick up can never generate revenue. But with a higher connection rate, the return on your customer acquisition spend improves dramatically. More live connects mean more chances to convert, nurture, and monetize the leads you've already paid for. The message is clear: A strong connection rate protects your marketing dollars and maximizes ROI on every lead. Let's connect connection rate to customer retention and lifetime value, or CLV. In service or proactive campaigns, such as callbacks, appointment reminders, or follow-up calls, a low connection rate can mean missed SLAs. And when customers don't get timely support, the result is often frustration and churn. On the other hand, a higher connection rate ensures customers feel supported and valued. This strengthens trust, increases retention, and ultimately boosts their lifetime value to the business. The key takeaway: connection rate doesn't just drive immediate outcomes, it also protects long-term customer relationships and revenue potential. Let's now look at the impact of connection rate on agent productivity and attrition costs. When connection rates are low, agents spend more time idle, waiting for live conversations. This lack of productivity quickly leads to frustration and disengagement. If that low performance is sustained, it often translates into higher attrition, as agents feel their efforts aren't meaningful or rewarding. And attrition isn't cheap. It drives up recruitment, onboarding, and training costs, all of which add to the financial burden of running the operation. The takeaway here is clear: healthy connection rates keep agents productive, motivated, and engaged, while poor rates drive up attrition and workforce costs. Now let's consider how connection rate drives operational flexibility. When connection rates are strong, contact centers can hit their performance targets with fewer dials and fewer FTEs. That means leaner operations, optimized staffing, and lower costs. But when connection rates are poor, the opposite is true. Leaders are forced to ramp up staffing levels or dialing volume, both of which increase operational expenses and strain resources. The key insight: a healthy connection rate gives you flexibility, efficiency, and control, while poor rates lock you into higher costs and less agility. Finally, let's tie it all together by looking at the overall ROI of outbound campaigns. At the end of the day, connection rate is the deciding factor in whether your outbound efforts deliver positive returns or simply burn resources. When connection rates are high, you get more conversions, lower cost to serve, and ultimately, a stronger ROI. But when connection rates are low, costs rise, revenue opportunities are lost, and the campaign delivers a weak or even negative ROI. The takeaway is simple: connection rate is the gateway to outbound profitability. Strong connection rates pay for the campaign, weak ones drain it. Let's close with the economic summary of connection rate. At its core, connection rate is a make-or-break metric. When it's positive and high, the benefits are clear: more sales, faster collections, lower cost to serve, and stronger ROI on both data and campaigns. But when it's negative and low, the picture changes: wasted dials, higher operating costs, SLA penalties, lost revenue, rising agent attrition, and weaker ROI. In short, connection rate isn't just an efficiency KPI, it's a direct driver of revenue protection, cost savings, and long-term outbound profitability. Getting it right defines whether your outbound operation thrives or struggles. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.